the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
You've heard this song, but did you know it was banned in some countries and it came straight from the Holy Bible? Rivers of Babylon was first recorded in 1970 by a Jamaican reggae group called the Melodians.
The rivers of Babylon, where he sat down.
The lyrics? They're almost word for word from the book of Psalms, specifically Psalms 19 and Psalms 137. The song reflects the pain of exile. In the Holy Bible, it was the Israelites mourning their captivity in Babylon. In reggae, it became a powerful symbol of black oppression and longing for freedom. In 1978, German disco group Boney M covered the song and it exploded. It topped charts across Europe and became a global hit, blending secret lyrics with a disco beat. But did you know it was banned in apartheid-era South Africa for being political? Yet, decades later, it's gone viral on TikTok, proving its message still hits today. From ancient scripture to disco to social media, Rivers of Babylon is a protest anthem in disguise. Now you know the true story. Like and follow Andre for more cool facts.